We have this question that will help us understand how to work with pie charts. I will appreciate if you pause the video, take a look at the question before coming to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Our question says that the pie chart below shows the distribution of 4,320 students who graduated from 4 departments in a university. How many students graduated from science? Now, we have to find the number of students that graduated from science. Meanwhile, if you observe the pie chart, while we are given the angle subtended by arts, medicine, and education, we're not given the angle subtended by science. But the sum of angle in a pie chart is always 360 degrees. Now, this is equals to the angle subtended by arts plus medicine plus education plus science. So that my 360 will be the same thing as 100 degrees plus 80 degrees plus 108 degrees plus science. Now, 360 will be the same thing as 100, that's 100 plus 188 plus science. That means 360 minus 288 will be the same thing as science. So that's 360 minus 288, that's the same thing as 360, 288, that's 2, that's 7. Now, so that 72 degrees is subtended by science. To calculate the total number of students subtended by science, we'll be talking of 72 degrees over 360 times 4320. 0 here cancels 0. Now, so that 36 here will be 1. 36 in 72, that will be 2. Now, so that I'm left with science having 2 times 432. That's the same thing as 864. So science will have 864 students.